Hello everyone, I am Tanya Khanna. Welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here then welcome. As I told you in my last video that I will do another look of Ariana Grande from the same song in my next video. So I am here with this look. Earlier I recreated the black graphic eyeliner look of Ariana Grande, and today I am here with the white eyeliner tutorial, and it was fun to do. I enjoyed it and I am sure you will also enjoy it. And before further ado, let's get into the video. So here I have already done with my base. I did it the same way I did it on my previous look of Ariana Grande, and if you want to check it out how I did this, I'll put a link in the description box. And for now I'm starting with my eyebrows directly. And for my eyebrows I'm taking this palette which I use in each of my video, and I'm mixing brown and grey and applying it on my eyebrows starting from the front and creating a straight eyebrow look following my natural eyebrows. Brushing it out for a cleaner blended look. For my eyes, I'm first taking this liquid concealer from Swiss Beauty and applying it on my eyelids. And blending it using my fingers to make my eyeshadow pop. Now I'm setting everything using this Colorbox face powder from Oriflame. Now she don't have any dark or vibrant colors over her eyelids, so I'm gonna take this Estee Lauder palette and taking this shade which is purple and applying it on my crease area. This is very natural light purple eye shade, just like she is wearing in her video. Same thing on the other eye. Next I'm gonna take this shade and applying it all over my eyelids. Now with the help of a clean round brush, I'm blending everything nicely so that there are no harsh edges. This palette has very light and natural shades for everyday purpose, and I'm going to use this palette for my entire look. Even the blush I will apply it from the same palette. For my eyeliner I'm going to use this L18 eyeliner, and starting it from the middle, I'm dragging it out. So done with the shape, now we have to fill the excess area. So she don't have any long winged black eyeliner, so I'm stopping it here and completing it from the inner part. So we are done with the eyeliner here, and for my waterline I'm using this kajal from Faces and applying it here. Just a single stroke bit. A single stroke because she don't have bold kajal. So I applied it very lightly because obviously the white kajal is going to catch all the attention. And now the most interesting and fun part of this video is white liner, and for that I'm gonna take this intense gel kajal from Swiss Beauty, and it is not matte. It has something shiny to it, but definitely we are going to first create a draft and then we will fill it in with a bright white shade. So first I'm gonna start it from here, taking it to the outer part of my eyes. I'm dragging it upward as high as I wanna go. And now creating a nice curvy line from here. We have to stop it right here. I'll do the same thing on this side and I'll be back. So now I've completed with the draft, and obviously we want this white color more bright, and for that I'm going to take this Camel Poster color. Poster colors are safe for your skin. You can use it for making tattoos on your face and something like that. So I'm taking this out with my pointed lip filler brush and applying it over this white line. So done with the tricky part. It was easier for me to draw this line because I have previously made a draft for it, like I did in my previous video also. You have to check it out. You will also learn some tips and tricks in that video. Now I'm taking this mascara and applying it both my upper and lower lashes. Curling it out. I always apply mascara first and then curl my lashes because I feel that harder lashes are easier to curl. Now I'm taking these 5D Fox Mink lashes from Teen Trends and applying it on my eyelids. I'm also applying this kajal a little bit on my upper waterline, only from the inner corners. It makes my eyes so watery. Because I don't usually apply kajal on my upper waterline, but I will do this. So done with the eyes finally, and for my cheeks I'm going to take this Estee Lauder palette again and taking this beautiful pink color and applying it on the apple of my cheeks. Next I'm taking this highlighter from In Color and applying it on my cheekbones. Bridge of my nose, forehead and my cupid's bow. And for my lips I'm going to take this matte and metallic lasting lip gloss from Swiss Beauty and taking the metallic side of it and applying it on my lips. I forgot to apply a highlighter on my inner corner, so I'm applying it here and on my brow bone. And this completes my look. I am already wearing this white dress to match perfectly with this look and it's doing a pretty good job. And for my hairs, I side parted my hairs because I have very thin hairs. If I front part them, it clearly shows my scalp. So this is my final look.